Hello everyone, now we are going to learn about dispersion of light. What is dispersion of light? It is a phenomenon of splitting of white light into its seven constituent colors. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, so white light is composed of seven colors with your when white light pass through or any ray of light is actually white light. When light ray passes through a transparent medium that may be a prism, then it splits into seven colors. So when white light passes through a transparent medium, let's say prism, then it splits into its seven colors. So that splitting of white light into seven color is called dispersion of light. Due to that dispersion, a band of seven color can be seen on a screen, on a white screen. That band of seven color formed on a screen is called spectrum. So what is spectrum? The band of seven color formed on a white screen when white light passes through a prism. So white light when passes through a prism, a transparent medium, then it splits into seven color with hue. So that splitting of white light into seven color is called dispersion of light, and formation of a band of seven color on a white sheet is called spectrum. Okay, you must have seen a natural spectrum, that is rainbow on sky. So when does rainbow form? When it is formed? Well, it is formed after rain. So after rain, what happens? Few drops of rain are there found on the sky, and on when sunlight passes through those water droplets, then the light of the light ray sunlight actually splits into seven colors, and that drops of water acts like a transparent medium, acts like a prism, and due to that sunlight splits into seven constituent color, then rainbow is formed. So what is rainbow? A natural spectrum that can be seen on the sky. When? After rain only. Sir Isaac Newton has discovered this, that white light is composed of seven color. He has made a disc of seven color, and after rotating that disc, it was appear white. So even you can make a disc of seven color, and when you will rotate that disc, then it will appear white. So that disc is called Newton's disc. Okay, now our chapter light is completed. If any doubt, any query, any question, you can write on the comment section. I'll definitely give response. I will sort out your queries. Okay, now you look at the screen.